Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 1 plus 3 power x plus 2 equals 13 by 27, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write this as 3 power x plus 3 power x times 3 power 1 plus 3 power x times 3 power 2 equals 13 by 27. So 3 power x plus 3 power x times 3 plus 3 power x times 3 square is 9 equals 13 by 27. Now if I'll take 3 power x as common, so 1 plus 3 plus 9 equals 13 by 27, and 1 plus 3 plus 9 is 13 equals 13 by 27. Now if I'll divide both sides by 13, so this will cancel out. So 3 power x equal 1 by 27. So 3 power x equal 27. We can write it as 3 cube. So 3 power x equal 3 power minus 3 we can write. Now on comparing both sides, we can say that the value of x is negative 3. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.